Hi guys! Today we are learning how to unblock someone on Instagram. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where the person was blocked. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you directly to your Instagram profile page. From here, we can access all account settings easily. Now look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the Instagram menu with different options. So don't worry, everything we need is inside this section. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. This is the main control center for your Instagram account settings. Here you will find all privacy-related options, including blocked users. Now scroll down slowly until you find the section related to interactions. In this section, you will see different privacy and safety options. This is where Instagram keeps the blocking settings. Now tap on the Blocked Accounts option. Here you will see the full list of all users you have blocked on Instagram. So take your time and look carefully for the person you want to unblock. Now find the user you want to unblock and tap on the Unblock button next to their name. Once you tap it, Instagram will immediately remove them from your blocked list. And now you can view their profile and interact with them again. And that's how you can easily unblock someone on Instagram step by step. It's a very simple process and you can repeat it anytime, whenever needed. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment for more easy guides like this.